Hey trader, welcome back to MFS Trading. This is the 1H time frame of GBP CHF. We took profitable positions. Now, why were these positions profitable? The answer lies in entering at the same time as institutional traders, big banks, hedge funds, and market controllers. How can you know when they're in the market? That's what this video is all about. Stay tuned for insights. Before starting today's video, be sure to click the like button on this video and subscribe our channel. Or you can support us by using the links below the description and join Telegram to receive free daily signals. Or you can also sign up Weeks Exchange to get a big bonus today. Weeks Exchange is a global cryptocurrency exchange with many advantages. No need KYC and no VPN required. So that available to user from all over the world. 0% maker fee, security and safety, and $500,000 daily withdrawal limit, US and Canada MSB license, and especially many bonus for new account register with the link under description. Besides, when trading on Weeks Exchange, you have the opportunity to get a combo of trading book worth $199. So quickly register today to receive incentives from Weeks Exchange. Okay, let's get right into today's video. So this is the bullish smart money indicator. It was designed by a TradingView user known as Loken94, and it's primarily used for trading cryptocurrency as well as stocks and futures. To add it to your chart, you're going to go to TradingView and then type in bullish smart money. And as you can see, it's going to be this one right here. For this video, I'm going to be using it on the 1 hour time frame of GBP CHF. Now, before we go over what this indicator does, let's just double-click on it so we can clean it up a bit. On this Style tab, you want to disable the Banker MA to the uptrend, the downtrend, and the trend trucker options. And then scroll all the way down, and then here you want to disable the Fill Banker MA option, and then click OK. Now, the purpose of this indicator is to track the flow of money into the market, specifically into the cryptocurrency market in regard to institutional traders. Whenever they buy, you would want to know so you can also buy, and this indicator is going to help you do exactly that. And whenever they exit their positions, you would also want to know. And this indicator going to get you covered. Now let's go over what this indicator is made of. And then later in the video, we will explore exactly how to use this indicator to trade, alongside institutional traders to make massive profits. Now, the main component of this indicator is going to be this histogram right here. That changes color between light blue, light green, brown red, and sometimes black. This is called the Banker histogram. And here is its life cycle. So, in an area where there are no histogram bars like here, this indicates little to no institutional trading activity. This basically represents an area where institutional traders are not taking any positions, neither are they exiting any positions. So you probably also want to stay out of the market during these times. And then going forward, we have a light blue histogram. This indicates the presence of institutional traders in the market, suggesting bullish conditions. These are areas where you would also want to take long positions. Progressing forward, we have the light green histogram bars. These represent price pump indicating super bullish conditions. And these bullish conditions are as a result of institutional traders holding their positions. These are areas where if you have any long positions, you would also want to hold on to those positions because the market is going to continue going up for a little bit. And then we have the brown histogram bars. These represent retest areas, basically signifying a natural decline of the price following the initial growth. These are areas where you should be looking to exit your positions either partially or in full. And then we have black histogram bars, but they actually appear as dark brown instead of black. This indicates a reversing of the market trend, indicating that institutional traders are exiting their positions, suggesting the need for you to also take your profits, that is if you have any. Now, a red histogram bar like this one is known as a dump candle. This indicates a steep decline typically caused by institutional investors completely taking their profits. This is a critical sign for you to exit your positions to avoid any significant losses. And then up here we have the hot money plot. This plot focuses on market momentum and it quickly reacts to price action. A green zone like here indicates bullish momentum, and a red zone indicates bearish momentum. And then we have this red dollar sign right here. This indicates a sell signal. Whenever you see this, it indicates areas where you should be looking to exit your positions. And in the strategy I'm going to be showcasing in this video, this is exactly what we're going to be using to exit our positions. Now, the next feature of this indicator is this moving average right here. This is going to serve as our minimum threshold for trading activity whenever the histogram bars are under this moving average. That would indicate that the trading activity in the market is not sufficient enough for us to take our positions. We would only take positions whenever the histogram bars are above this moving average. Now, one thing to note about this indicator is that it is only used to take long or buy positions. The reason for that is because, as you can see, the histogram only tracks bullish momentum, and it doesn't have a coded ability to track bearish momentum, so do not use this indicator to take short positions. Now, at this point in time, I know you may be thinking, but how can we use this indicator to actually take trades? Well, for that, we would need to add one more trading tool to the chart. The second indicator that we need to add to complement the bullish smart money indicator is this one called support resistance with breaks and retests, this one by Hoan Getty. Double-click on it. So we can change some settings. On this style tab, you want to disable the labels, because we don't need the labels, and then click OK. Now the conditions for taking a long position are as follows. First, you want the market to establish a resistance level. To identify a resistance level, you're going to be using the breaks and retests indicator by Hoan Getty. A green horizontal level like this represents a resistance level. Now, condition number 2 is to wait for the price to break and close above that resistance level. This is the break and close, and this breakout candle is going to be our entry candle. Now, the third condition is to ensure that the breakout candle shows signs of bullish institutional trading activity. For that, we just take a look at the bullish smart money indicator. We need this last histogram bar to be colored light blue, and you should also close above this green moving average. This indicates that institutional investors may also be taking long positions. We want to take positions at the same time as they are taking positions. Now, the last condition is to ensure that the hot money plot is call it green at the time of our entry. And as you can see here, yes, it is call it green. This indicates a strong bullish momentum in the market. We're going to take a long position here. The stop loss goes under the most recent swing low. For the take profit, we're not going to set it instead. We're going to wait for a short signal to be printed by the bullish smart money indicator. Our short signal is going to look something like this. As soon as this label is printed, we're going to exit our position. However, if we achieve a profit that's 1 to 3 times bigger than our risk before the short signal is printed, well, we're just going to exit our position, which means we need to set this at 1 to 3 times the risk. So we're not going to wait for the price to come all the way up instead. We're going to exit if a short signal is printed simple. Let's see what happens. Now here is our sell signal. So we exit our position. Now here's another long position. As you can see, condition number 1 was met, because this is a resistance level as printed by the breaks and retests indicator. Condition number 2 is to wait for the price to break and close above this level. That condition is also met because this candle just broke and closed above our resistance level, which makes this our entry candle. Now, condition number 3 is to ensure that the entry candle shows signs of institutional buying activity. To confirm that, we just take a look at this histogram. We need this last histogram bar to be colored light blue and to also close above this green moving average. And as you can see, that condition is also met. Lastly, we need to ensure that the market has strong enough bullish momentum to push the price in the direction of our trade. For that, we just take a look at the hot money plot of this indicator. We basically need this plot to be colored green because that would indicate that there is sufficient bullish momentum in the market to push the price up, and as you can see, that condition was also met. So we take a long position. Stop loss goes under the most recent swing low. For the take profit, we're going to set it at 1 to 3 times the risk. But you have to remember, if a short signal similar to this gets printed somewhere within our position, we're going to exit the trade with whatever profit that it would have secured. So we let this trade run. And we still don't have a sell signal, so we keep holding. Still no sell signal, so we keep holding. And then here the sell signal appears. We're going to exit our trade, and there you go. Now go ahead and take a look at this indicator as well as this strategy, and see what other eye conditions you can add to make it even better. If you find a way to make it better, well, be sure to let us know in the comment section below. Also, whatever strategy that you come up with, remember to do extensive back testing and forward testing before trading with your real money. Well, that's basically everything for this video. I hope you found some value. If you did, hit the like button below and consider subscribing to stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you next time.